Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will configure React Router. So first, let's create login and register component. So inside components folder, I'll create a new folder and name it as auth. And inside auth folder, I'll create a new file and name it as login.js. And here I'll do RAFCE and press tab. One second. RAFCE, press tab. Okay. Let's keep this login. Okay. And then let's create one more file and name it as register.js. Okay, there was some issue with the name, so let me rename it .js. Okay, and here I'll do RAFCE and press tab. Okay, let's keep this as register. Okay, now let's close both the files. Now inside app.js, okay, so this is the app.js file. Here I will import both the components. So let's do it in a shortcut way. So here I'll write register, and if I click here, it should get auto import. Okay, there is some problem. So let's do it again. So register, hit enter. Sometimes this auto import doesn't work. Okay, so we will import manually. Let's do login also. So here, let's import register from slash components slash auth slash register. We save this. Then we need login. So login, and here also I'll do login. Okay. We save this. Now we need to import browser router route and routes from React Router DOM. So let's do it. So at the top, I'll do import curly braces browser router as router. Here I'll do route, then routes. Okay, from React Router DOM. Okay, let me save this. Now I will wrap the entire div inside router. Okay, so router, let's close this, cut this, and here I'll paste it. Okay, let's save this. Now here after the navbar, I'll be using routes. Okay, let's cut this out and wrap this three components inside routes. Now here we will be using route. So route, and we need to define the path. So path is going to be a slash or home page. And here we need to type element that is equal to then curly braces. And here we need to pass the component. So home. Okay, let's close this. Then again, close this route. Okay, and let's remove this. Then we need two more. So just duplicate. And here I'll do register, and this is register. Okay, here this is login, and this will be login. Okay, let's remove both these components from here. Let's save this. Now this routing part is completed, but inside home page, okay, let's go inside this home.js, and here I'll be using link component. So import link from React router DOM. Okay, and instead of this a tag, we will be using link tag. Okay, so let's do a link tag, and instead of href we will be doing 2. Okay, and here we need slash register. Okay, so this is the path, and for login also I'll be just do a copy paste for the name. So this is it. Let's remove this. Let me save this, and again in the navbar also we need to do the same process. So import link from React Router DOM. This is fine. Then here instead of a tag, I'll be using link tag. Okay, and instead of href, I'll be using 2, and this will be only a slash. Okay, done. And here also for register and login, we can just copy both this. Okay,
put this. Okay, let's paste it here first. And here we need register. Let's cut this out and paste it here. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go to the browser and check it. To compile with a problem. There is some problem with the. Okay, here we need dot slash. Let's try it in the browser. So as you can see, we have this register. So if I click on this register, you will go to the register page. If I click on login, you'll be going to login page. If I click on the home page, this is the home page. So here, as you can see, we have this register. Okay. Again, let me go to home page, click on login. So you'll be redirected to login page. So routing is done. Okay. So we have successfully done the routing for our pages. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.